introduction first. Yes, you can start. Yes.
Okay, so my name is Seema. I am from Maharashtra. If I talk about my education, I have done my Bachelor of Science and Diploma in Pharmacy. My hobbies are reading books and writing some diary and playing badminton. That's all about me.
Nice, very nice. Okay. So what do you write? You mentioned that you write diary. Every day you write a diary, something or the other.
Yeah, I wrote every day, but sometimes it's missing if I busy. But I wrote every day for my daily routine, and if I want to do anything, so I wrote on this notebook. Yeah, it's my daily routine.
You write. It's been how long that you are writing a diary?
I was in class 11. That time to now, it's my hobby to write. Because that time I live with in my mother's sister home, so I like to write for my home when I miss my father, mother, and my sibling. So then I started to write. So I feel like happiness. So that habit going regular.
Oh, that's good. But so many diaries you must have written because it's been long time for you that you are writing. Then 1, 2, 3. How many diaries must have pulled?
Like yes, not more diaries, but I have completed 5 diaries because when I was studying, so that time I was not written every day because it's take time and I was study, so I was busy that time. So I wrote when I get new experience and something new, so I wrote my experience of this thing.
So you need my introduction, Seema?
Yeah, please, ma'am.
Okay. So I am Alka. I'm connecting you from Lucknow, the capital of UP. If I talk about my academic career, then I'm postgraduate in English. And yeah, I have 2 grown-up sons. And my hobbies are listening to music and reading books. Yeah, nowadays interacting with different people. This is my hobbies. Yes.
That's really nice.
So you are connecting me from which place you told?
I'm connecting from Maharashtra near to Nagpur city.
Okay, Nagpur. Okay.
Yeah.
So how are like oranges? You are getting many oranges these days?
Yeah, right, ma'am. Now is seasonal is going on, and I like orange more, so I take every day.
Okay, yeah. Even we are like nowadays we have like oranges in the market, but those oranges are not that big and not sweet also. But I think Nagpur is best known for oranges.
Yes, yes. Not price is also low price because it is also orange city. So many oranges here and sweetened orange.
Yeah, so I had been to Nagpur like many years before. So from a sweet shop, I bought that, made barfi, barfi, what to say in English. So that barfi made out of orange. And it was, yeah, it tastes very good, I had that sweet from Nagpur.
Yes, yes. Right. So many make by orange and some chocolate and all this thing. But in this season, when I went to market, so I find lots of orange.
Okay, that's good, and it's very healthy too. If suppose daily you have orange juice, that's very good for health. Vitamin C is there, and it's very good for skin and hair, all that. Yeah.
Right.
So you, what is your mother tongue? Marathi?
My mother tongue is Marathi.
Okay, my favorite language, Yeah. I love 4 languages, I'm like, Hindi is my mother tongue, the second English, and a little bit of Bangla and a little bit of Marathi. I love all these languages.
What's your mother tongue, ma'am?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Yeah.
But you know Marathi also.
Yeah. Because no, we were living in Maharashtra. I was in Mumbai, and in Mumbai we stayed for 8 years.
Oh, that's nice. And in Mumbai, 90% people are using Marathi.
Yeah. Mumbai, na? Yeah. 90% people, yeah. And we had a Marathi as a subject also. When we were studying in a school, then we had Marathi. Yeah. So that's why I know a
Yes,
little.
yes.
But without practice now, I have no practice now of Marathi. So I have
Yes.
forgotten. So whatever I remember a little. But practice, suppose that's the way we are practicing English too. Because if we won't practice, we will forget. So the
Yeah.
same thing happened with me. Both the languages, like English and Marathi. I didn't get practice to do. So that's why I lost everything. So yeah. So
Yes.
now I'm learning English, but Marathi is suppose I get somebody to speak to me in Marathi every day, then I'll get it very easily. Very easily I learn. I can learn, yes. Because I know a
Yeah.
little bit. Yeah.
Right. When we talk regularly, so it's a habit to talk. Otherwise,
Yeah.
we fumble.
Yes.
Suddenly, we
Right.
talk that language.
If I say in Marathi, मला ऑरेंज खूप आवडत्या. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, मला ऑरेंज खूप आवडतात. आवडतात.
Okay. A little bit. I told you, I don't know that fluent, but yeah, a little bit.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's long time. That's why.
Yeah. So tell me about your family. How many members and all are there?
There are 5 members in my family. My mother-in-law, my father-in-law. I have one brother-in-law, my husband, and me. We live in joint family.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you are doing for your practice? What you do every day?
Every day I am listening story and reading books. Now I started to read Swami Vivekananda book.
Okay.
So yeah, now and speaking practice.
Okay. You have your when did you create your channel?
It has been completed 1 year.
Oh, 1 year completed.
Yes.
So you find yourself, you find some difference, like as you were before and now you are, like you feel some change, like you can speak very well now. And earlier times you could not speak that good, no?
Yes. I experienced that. I am not. I have no more fear, and I am able to speak now.
Yeah. Because with the practice, no, it makes like not perfect. I would say there is a saying, no, practice makes a man perfect, but not perfect. I would say perfect means we don't make any mistake anywhere. But the person who has learned everything, who knows very well English, and that person also makes mistakes sometimes. So I
Yeah.
think nobody is perfect. We have to go on practicing every day.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah.
Any language, when we not talk any particular language, so we are not perfect in that language because it's not our mother tongue and nobody can talk. Only we give 1 hour, 2 hours, so it's not perfect for us. But when we able to speak, anybody speak with us, so we can give answer. So that is right for us.
Yes, right. Right. Yeah. So anything you have to